Hey guys, welcome back to a video. Today's video is I'm at the Super Hotel and it's currently 8:34 right now and the alarms are just going off and now they're silent. So I'm not for sure what happened and I'm not gonna go near that because I don't want to go near a fire alarm indicator. Hey, how are you doing? What are you doing? Excuse me? What am I doing? Get off the phone. This is my phone. I can do what I want to do. You stay out of my business. So, sorry about that. Okay, what I was saying about the fire alarms. There's people that smoke marijuana inside this building. What you don't know is that they will make the fire alarms go off, and no one wants that. Hit that subscribe button, hit the post notification down below, hit the bell, and please subscribe to my channel. Peace out, I love you, bye.